Oh, already pressed. Hello. Arr. These things are slow. Come on. We take the service elevators. Ooh, I hear one. Maybe. Be slow. Ah, I hear voices. Ah, this one? Yes. Hi.
Hello.
I tried them on one time.
Yeah, it's like instead of the things that you stuff your fingers.
Ah, stop. Just watch it.
Walk, walk.
Hello. Oh. I don't think we have room for a cart.
No, I don't
Their
want
feet
to.
are like little yeah, they're soft boys. Like eat them.
Ah, 21st floor. We stopped. Hello.
Oh, going down?
Yes, we're going down.
Get in.
Get in.
That's like my.
We can do this. We can do this.
Can we do one more?
Oh shit. Yeah.
Come on in.
We can do this.
Come on
We can
in.
do this.
Come on.
Can we do one more?
Alright, nobody else is getting on.
Yeah, I'm you guys okay? Yeah, I'm perfect. Awesome.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to let anyone else on. No.
Sorry. Shit, I love your.
We're gonna be stopping at every floor. Oh no. Sorry, we're full.
Down?
Yeah,
We're full.
you can try, but
You can try.
we don't want to overload it.
Yeah, I don't feel like calling my uncle.
The door closed. We're good.
That's fine.
Now this is a furry party.
Let's go.
Just get the music.
What floor
No.
is this?
11.
11.
We're beyond full. Oh, whoa.
Very full.
Yeah.
Hey, that is probably-
Yeah.
Yeah,
Elevator con. When only one or two of the elevators is working.
I cleared the door.
Wait, really?
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised.
6, 5.
There
Hey,
we
come
Thank you for
No.
writing.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's let the 20 people who are in this elevator out.